music for a child's heart, body, and mind.
Hello pupils, welcome to maths class. In our first week work, we did addition of open sentence. Remember, you were asked to subtract the two given numbers when you're doing addition of open sentence. And last week we did also subtraction of open sentence, where we were asked to add the two given numbers. And remember, in some cases, the rules change, where you have to subtract the two given numbers. Today, we want to look at approximation. What is approximation? Approximation is simply a number or an amount that is not correct. It is not exact. Another word for approximation is simply rounding off. In rounding off, it's either we are rounding up or we are rounding down. In rounding up, we are looking at a number from 5 and above. And when we are rounding down, we are looking at a number less than 5. That's from 4 to 0. Okay, let's look at some examples. Example 1. Approximate or round off the following to the nearest: A, 10, B, 100. Now let's look at the number we are rounding up. 516. And number 2, 2737. Okay, before we go ahead, let's look at, remember I said there are two types of rounding off. It's either you're rounding up or you're rounding down. Remember I said if you're rounding up, you're looking at from 5 and above. And if you're rounding up down, you're looking at a number less than 5. That's from 0 to 4 or 4 down to 0. Look at it here. So here we call this, the whole of this as 0. And we call this 1. Okay? When you're rounding up, you are calling it 1. And when you are rounding down, you are calling it 0. Let's go. Solution. Round off 516 to the nearest 10 first. Okay? When you are asked to round up to the nearest 10, 10 means that's the tens we are looking at. You know, we have a place value of numbers. So this number we have here is 516. If you place your number, your values, you have unit, tens, and hundred. Here we are looking at tens. This is the number we are asked to round off. So the two numbers we are concentrating on is the unit and the tens. Is that clear? So let's go to our board there, our chart. Where does 6 fall? Is it on 0 or where? 1. So 6 is here, is 1. So we are going to call this 6. We say 6 has gone to tens to become 1. Are we there? So we are adding 1 to tens. So this 6 has become what? 0. And 1 plus 1 is 2. And we'll bring down our 5. We don't have any business with what? 100. We are concentrating only on unit and tens. Remember, we are asked to round off to the nearest 10. Round off to the nearest 10. So here, 516 to the nearest 10 has become 520. Okay? We want to round off the same number, 516, to the nearest what? 100. So that's number 1B. We have round off 516 to the nearest 100. Solution: 516 to the nearest 100. Okay, we place our what? Our values, unit, tens, and hundred. Here, we are not looking at what? Unit. What we are concentrating on is our tens and what? 100. We want to increase the 100. We are rounding off to the nearest 100. So the numbers we are concentrating on are 1 and 6. Let's go to this chart. Where does 1, this one, where does it belong? It belongs to 0. So we say that we cancel this and say plus 0. Automatically, every number behind this become 0. Here also become what? 0. The number at the back becomes 0. So let's add. We bring down 0. We bring down this 0. And we bring down 5. Okay? So 516 to the nearest 100 is what? 500. Okay? Example 2. Round off 2,737 to the nearest 10. Okay, solution: 2,737 to the nearest 10. Okay, we place our values: 2737, unit, tens, 100, 1,000. Okay, to the nearest 10. Remember, it is this 10 we are looking at. So we are looking at the units and the tens, 7 and 3. From our chart here, where does this 7 that is behind this 3, where does 7 fall? 7 falls where we have ones. That means we are rounding up. So we cancel the 7 and call it plus 1 to the tens, right? Okay, remember the 7 has become what? 0. So say 0. 3 plus 1 is 4. We bring down 7. We bring down 2. 2,737 to the nearest tens has become 2,740. Still in our example, that's 2B. Round off the same number, 2,737, to the nearest 100. 2,737 to the nearest 100. Solution: 2,737 to the nearest 100. Okay, place our value so that we know the one we are concentrating on. We have units, tens, 100,000. Okay, so we are concentrating on these two, this middle number, tens and hundred. From our chart here, where does 3 belong? 3 belongs to 0. So we say plus 0 to the 100. Remember I said after everything, all the numbers behind the one you are looking at becomes what? 0. So here has become what? 0. We say 0. This one 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. And we bring down our 2. So 2,737 to the nearest 100 has become 2,700. Okay? You can always replay the video in case you did not understand some part. Also, check your homework and your classwork in the portal as usual. Thank you.